Over the past few weeks, an image captured by NASA's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory has gone viral across social media platforms, most prominently on Facebook, where it has been shared thousands of times. The photograph, extracted from a video feed of the Sun, depicts a vast, circular object positioned unnervingly close to the solar surface. Its striking geometry, symmetry, and placement in the seemingly boundless expanse of space have ignited widespread intrigue, leading many to speculate about the true nature of the mysterious sphere. To the casual observer, the image might appear to be a trick of light or a camera artifact. Yet to those who have studied it closely, the details suggest something far more unusual. Based on its apparent scale relative to the Sun, early estimates place the object at thousands of miles in diameter, a staggering measurement that would easily dwarf Earth and rival some of the largest planets in our solar system. That fact alone has astonished viewers and scientists alike. The Sun is an unforgiving star, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees and radiation levels that would obliterate any known material in moments. For something to exist so close to its surface suggests technology or natural resilience far beyond anything humanity has yet achieved or even fully imagined. The geometry of the object is particularly striking. Unlike the irregular forms of asteroids or comets, this sphere is nearly perfect in its symmetry. Nature rarely produces such flawless shapes without significant geological processes, and in the vacuum of space, even those forces are unlikely to produce something so exact. For this reason, many who have examined the image have dismissed the possibility of a random natural occurrence. Instead, attention has turned toward the possibility of artificial origins, raising the provocative idea that this could be an advanced spacecraft operating in close proximity to the Sun. One theory that has captivated the public imagination is that the object might be a massive probe or collector, harvesting energy directly from the Sun itself. This concept echoes the long-theorized Dyson sphere, or smaller-scale energy-harvesting structures that civilizations might build around stars. The possibility that an intelligent species could have created such a machine places the photograph within the realm of one of humanity's oldest and most compelling questions: are we alone in the universe? This idea has gained traction thanks in part to the growing openness within the scientific community toward exploring unconventional explanations for unusual space phenomena. Harvard professor Avi Loeb, a respected physicist and astronomer, has become a prominent voice in this arena. His work in analyzing interstellar visitors has encouraged the scientific world to at least entertain the possibility that advanced technology from other civilizations may exist and occasionally be observed in our skies. Loeb has pointed out that dismissing such possibilities out of hand does a disservice to the pursuit of knowledge. By considering that advanced probes may pass through our solar system, he argues, humanity acknowledges that what we have done on a small scale, sending probes to Mars, Jupiter and beyond, might well be happening elsewhere on a far grander level. The viral spread of this image highlights how strongly these ideas resonate with the public. In a time when images of space are easily accessible, it is rare for one single frame to command such attention. Yet this photograph has done just that. Across forums, groups, and media pages, people have debated the meaning of the sphere, with many concluding that the most plausible explanation is that it is no ordinary astronomical event. The concept of intelligent control has surfaced repeatedly, with some observers suggesting that the object's stable position and shape indicate purposeful design rather than a fleeting cosmic coincidence. If this object were indeed a probe or energy-harvesting craft, the implications would be profound. It would mean that another civilization has not only achieved space travel, but has mastered technologies enabling them to operate near stars, enduring conditions beyond our comprehension. Such an achievement would represent a level of advancement many steps ahead of humanity's current capabilities. The idea that civilizations might send out probes for exploration or energy collection is not merely speculative fantasy, it mirrors the very steps humanity has already taken. Probes like Voyager, Pioneer, and New Horizons have ventured far from Earth, carrying instruments, data, and even messages into the cosmos. If humanity has done this with limited resources and relatively young technology, why would it not be possible for another civilization, perhaps millions of years older, to have done the same on a vastly larger scale? What makes the viral interest in this image so significant is the convergence of science, speculation, and imagination. Social media has become a platform where ordinary people engage with astronomical discoveries and theories once confined to academic circles. In this case, the rapid sharing of the photograph has sparked a global conversation about the possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence and advanced technology. This democratization of scientific curiosity reveals how deeply humans long for connection with the wider universe and how keenly they seek answers to questions about existence beyond Earth. For some, the image may still be explained by less dramatic means, perhaps a photographic artifact, an anomaly in the data transmission, or a natural but rare celestial phenomenon. Yet for those open to alternative explanations, the possibility of a massive probe near the Sun remains compelling. The viral nature of the image demonstrates that many people find the artificial explanation not only possible, but plausible, especially in light of the mounting body of unusual observations in astronomy over recent years. The fascination with the Sun itself also plays a role. As the life-giving star at the center of our solar system, the Sun has always been regarded with awe. To see an object of immense size hovering near it, apparently unaffected by its destructive power, strikes at something deep within human imagination. It evokes images of great cosmic machines, civilizations harnessing the energy of stars, and a universe teeming with intelligence far beyond what Earth has yet encountered. As the photograph continues to circulate, the mystery deepens. Was this a fleeting encounter with something extraordinary, captured by NASA's observatory in a moment of serendipity? Was it evidence of technology that redefines humanity's understanding of physics and engineering? Or was it perhaps a glimpse into a future humanity itself may one day achieve, mastering the stars not as distant fires in the sky, but as engines of exploration and survival? Whatever the ultimate truth, the viral spread of this image demonstrates the power of wonder. It shows how a single photograph, a sphere suspended near the Sun, can ignite conversations across the world, bridging science and speculation. Whether it proves to be an artifact, a natural event, or something far more profound, the mystery of the object near the Sun has already achieved something remarkable. It has inspired millions to look upward, to question what is possible, and to imagine that humanity's place in the universe may be far less solitary than once believed. Space has been a subject of interest for humans for centuries. There are several reasons why space exploration and the mysteries of the universe capture our imagination. Firstly, space is vast and unexplored, and it's natural for humans to want to explore the unknown. As we discover more about the universe, we gain new insights into the origins of the universe and our place in it. This knowledge can help us better understand our world and ourselves. Every so often, though, NASA captures a mysterious image that leaves us with more questions than answers. The mysterious aircraft seen in the background during Apollo 9. According to enthusiasts who investigate the unknown, during NASA's Apollo 9 mission, a picture was taken that allegedly shows a mysterious object above Earth. According to enthusiasts who investigate the unknown, during NASA's Apollo 9 mission, a picture was taken that allegedly shows a mysterious object above Earth. Those who've studied this phenomena have said that the photo is believed to be proof of advanced life forms visiting Earth. During a practice run for the historic moon landings, some enthusiasts have pointed out a small black triangle that appeared to be hovering among the clouds. The image has caused much intrigue and speculation among both researchers and casual observers alike. Apollo 9 was a manned space mission launched by NASA on March 3, 1969. The primary objective of the mission was to test the lunar module in Earth orbit to ensure it was ready for use on the Moon. It was the first crewed flight of the lunar module, which had been under development for several years. The crew consisted of 3 astronauts, Commander James McDivitt, Command Module Pilot David Scott, and Lunar Module Pilot Rusty Schweikart. During the mission, the astronauts spent 10 days in space, orbiting the Earth and conducting a series of tests and experiments. One of the main goals of the mission was to test the docking and separation procedures between the command and lunar modules. The astronauts successfully separated the 2 modules and then docked them back together multiple times. They also performed a spacewalk to test the suits and tools that would be used on the Moon. In the background of one of these photographs, a mysterious object in the shape of a black triangle can be seen. Interestingly, this isn't the first time that astronauts and military officials have reported seeing these aircrafts. Black triangles are a type of unidentified flying object that has been reported by witnesses across the world. These objects are characterized by their triangular shape and are often described as silent or nearly silent. Reports of black triangle sightings have been recorded since the 1561 celestial phenomenon over Nuremberg, but they gained more widespread attention in the 1980s and 1990s. One of the most famous reports of a black triangle occurred in 1983 in Belgium. Over the course of several months, numerous witnesses reported seeing a large, triangular-shaped object flying low over the countryside. The Belgian military eventually deployed F-16 fighter jets to intercept the object, but they were unable to catch it. The Belgian government conducted an investigation into the sightings, but was unable to explain what the witnesses had seen. Similar sightings have been reported in space by astronauts, detailing that these advanced-looking aircrafts were witnessed above the United States and the United Kingdom. In many cases, witnesses report that the black triangles they saw were larger than any known aircraft and capable of hovering silently in the sky. Theories about the origins of these black triangles range from experimental military aircraft to advanced visitation. Some researchers speculate that the craft could be part of a secret military project, such as the rumored TR-3B, a supposed top-secret reconnaissance aircraft developed by the United States Air Force. Others suggest that the objects could be advanced spacecrafts or some other form of advanced technology beyond our current understanding. Despite numerous reports and investigations, the true nature of black triangles remains a mystery. The lack of concrete evidence or a clear explanation for the sightings has led many to speculate about the possible origins of these mysterious objects. Some argue that the continued sightings of black triangles suggest that we are not alone in the universe and that other intelligent beings may be monitoring our planet. As of right now, believers have used photographs like this as evidence for these aircrafts existing. These black triangles remain a fascinating and perplexing phenomenon that continues to intrigue and captivate people across the world. A strange discovery on Mars. This photograph was just posted to social media, with people labeling it as either a feather or a leaf, and said that it was found on the surface of Mars. The strange object was spotted in a Gigapan image of Mars. Gigapan Mars photos are high-resolution images of Mars captured by the Mars rover missions and processed using the Gigapan imaging technique. These photos allow scientists and the general public to explore and study the surface of Mars in unprecedented detail. The Gigapan technique involves taking multiple high-resolution images and stitching them together to create a single, seamless panoramic image. This process results in an image with extraordinary detail and clarity, allowing for a comprehensive study of the Martian landscape. One of the most significant benefits of Gigapan Mars photos is their ability to provide a wealth of information about the geological history of Mars. By examining the images, scientists can identify and study the different rock formations, craters, and other geological features on the planet. This helps scientists understand the geological processes that shaped Mars and can provide insights into the planet's past and present. Gigapan Mars photos also offer unique opportunities to explore Mars in a way that was previously impossible. The images allow viewers to zoom in and examine features in great detail, such as the texture of rocks or the shapes of dunes. This provides an immersive and interactive experience for the public to explore Mars, as if they were there in person. Due to this photograph recently being shared online, not much information is known about it. But the user who submitted the image to a group that investigates Mars anomalies said that it either looks like a leaf or spikes protruding from the rock, further saying that it sticks out against the backdrop of Mars. As of right now, there's various people who believe that Mars is home to mysterious artifacts, pointing out that many of these objects don't look like natural formations. The strange object above the moon. In November 1969, NASA launched the Apollo 12 manned lunar mission, which proved to be successful by landing humans on the moon for the second time in history following Neil Armstrong's historic leap. Interestingly, a few years back, online researchers came across a strange discovery in the background of one of these images. The photo in question has been re-examined, and believers have said that they've spotted a mysterious object in the frame. The discovery of the alleged object in the archive photo has piqued the interest of many individuals who have been following developments in space. Despite the extensive investigations carried out by NASA at the time of the mission, there may be several unexplored aspects of the event that could hold clues as to what this object is. According to users who've spent countless hours looking over the photographs, a strange object in the shape of a disc was reportedly seen hovering over the horizon while at a tilted angle, much like the description provided by those who've allegedly encountered these aircrafts. Those who've seen the image have said that the astronauts who observed this object must have been astounded, since there isn't much to see on the moon apart from dust and rocks. The size of the object and the fact that it was hovering would have been a mesmerizing sight for the crew. According to online researchers, there is a very low possibility that the object in question is a glitch on the camera. In other words, they imply that the object is more likely to be real and not just an artifact. Not everyone agrees with this statement. The phenomenon of mysterious aircraft sightings has been a topic of great interest for decades. While many sightings occur on Earth, there have also been numerous sightings in space, including around the International Space Station and during space missions. These sightings have sparked debate and speculation about extraterrestrial life. The sightings of these mysterious objects in space have raised many questions and sparked debate about the possibility of extraterrestrial life and the existence of intelligent alien civilizations. While there are many possible explanations for these sightings, including space debris, optical illusions, and even secret military technology, the mystery of these objects in space continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. Google Earth, a popular online mapping platform, has revolutionized the way we explore our planet. Beyond its utility in mapping cities and landmarks, Google Earth has inadvertently become a tool for enthusiasts and researchers to search for unexplained aerial phenomena. This mysterious triangular-shaped object was found by someone who was scanning Google Earth, and the coordinates bring you to San Antonio, New Mexico, interestingly near the Holloman Air Force Base. Oddly enough, when you try to search for these coordinates, they no longer exist, and this has caused some researchers to suggest that these types of images are removed on purpose. Google Earth's vast database of satellite imagery allows users to zoom in on locations worldwide, providing a unique perspective on Earth's surface. Enthusiasts and researchers have eagerly employed this tool to scour the globe for unusual aerial anomalies. By examining high-resolution images, they aim to identify and document potential mysterious sightings. The image in question is from 2013, but as mentioned, despite several attempts to locate it again using the updated version of the software, it is no longer available. However, the sighting was submitted to the Mutual UFO Network, so researchers have a data log from when the object was first discovered. Oddly enough, there was a strange circle marking etched into the ground right next to the triangular object, leading some to suggest that the aircraft may have created these strange patterns. Unidentified objects have fascinated and perplexed people for decades, and in recent years, more and more people are coming forward with their encounters, helping to bring this topic into the mainstream media. For this reason, objects such as this one are being seen by more people. Among the various shapes and forms reported, one of the most intriguing and frequently observed is the mysterious black triangle. Triangle-shaped objects, also known as black triangles, are characterized by their distinct shape, resembling an equilateral or isosceles triangle. Witnesses describe these objects as immense in size, with each side measuring hundreds of feet. They often exhibit a slow and silent movement, defying conventional aircraft capabilities. The most notable feature reported is the presence of lights on each corner of the craft, emitting a soft, steady glow. These black triangles have been reported worldwide, sparking intense interest among researchers and enthusiasts. One notable incident occurred in Belgium during the late 1980s. Over a period of several months, thousands of witnesses, including police officers and military personnel, reported observing large, low-flying, triangle-shaped craft. The Belgian wave, as it became known, captured international attention and remains one of the most well-documented cases in history. Similar sightings have occurred in various countries, including the United States, where reports of black triangles have surfaced from different regions. Witnesses describe the objects hovering silently and performing intricate maneuvers beyond the capabilities of known aircraft. These sightings often occur at night, with witnesses reporting mesmerizing lights on the underbelly of the craft. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain the origin and nature of these black triangles, with one prevailing theory being that these objects could be advanced military aircraft, part of a classified project employing advanced stealth technology. This theory posits that governments are testing new aerial platforms with enhanced maneuverability and surveillance capabilities. Another theory speculates that black triangles could be advanced in nature. Proponents argue that the sheer size, silent propulsion, and unusual flight patterns suggest a technology far beyond our current understanding. Some theorize that these crafts may be piloted by highly advanced civilizations conducting surveillance or scientific exploration, while others suggest that they are drones that have been sent here by other planets, similar to what we've done on Mars. This theory could explain how these objects are able to fly at the speeds they do, with believers in this theory saying that anything biological inside would likely be taken out by the force that's created, and the idea that they are probes would make more sense. A third theory posits that black triangles may be the result of a covert black project developed by a powerful group or organization. According to this theory, these organizations possess advanced technologies that have been kept secret from the public. They speculate that the craft's appearance and behavior could be the result of revolutionary propulsion systems and energy sources. The United States has been a hotbed for triangle sightings, with reports spanning several decades. Numerous witness accounts, including those from credible sources such as pilots, military personnel, and law enforcement officers, add weight to the phenomenon's legitimacy. Sightings often occur in various regions, with notable clusters reported in areas such as the Hudson Valley in New York, the Phoenix Lights incident in Arizona, and the Illinois Triangle sighting. Pilots have reported encountering these triangles, but note that our fastest jets don't have the ability to keep up with them. Black triangle-shaped aircrafts continue to fascinate and intrigue both researchers and the general public. With numerous documented sightings, including those from credible witnesses such as military personnel and law enforcement officers, these objects remain an enigma. The characteristics, reported sightings, and theories surrounding these black triangles fuel ongoing discussions and investigations into their nature and origin, while the exact explanation for these sightings remains elusive. The prevalence of black triangle reports suggests that there is something significant happening in our skies. Whether the objects are advanced military aircraft, extraterrestrial in origin, or the result of covert black projects, their existence challenges our understanding of conventional aviation and raises profound questions about our place in the universe. Further research, collaboration, and scientific inquiry are crucial to unraveling the mysteries surrounding these aircrafts. The exploration of these unexplained phenomena invites us to embrace curiosity, expand our knowledge, and remain open to the possibility of extraordinary discoveries. Just recently, NASA announced that they are researching these aircraft, but note that further evidence is needed for us to come to a conclusive answer on what these objects are. In the pursuit of understanding, we must continue to gather and analyze data, encourage credible eyewitness testimonies, and foster an environment where the study of mysterious aircrafts can thrive. An object that's been described as being pure energy was witnessed above Africa by eyewitnesses, leaving many of them confused as to what it was that they had just witnessed. According to reports, a local noticed the strange object hovering above a nearby mountain and quickly grabbed their camera in order to record it. When the footage was uploaded online, many pointed out that it looked like this object was made of energy, as it kept changing its shape. Most unidentified objects don't look like this, but in recent years more and more sightings have been reported. Energy or orb aircrafts, also known as light orbs or plasma orbs, are a specific type of unidentified object that have captivated the interest and intrigue of enthusiasts and researchers alike. These plasma objects are characterized by their luminous and often pulsating appearance, resembling spheres or globes of light. Sightings of energy or orb objects have been reported worldwide, sparking a wide range of theories and speculation about their nature and origin. One of the distinguishing features of energy or orb objects is their unique behavior and movement patterns. Unlike traditional aircraft or natural phenomena, these orbs are often observed darting or maneuvering in ways that defy conventional aerodynamics. They can change direction abruptly, accelerate at extraordinary speeds, and exhibit sudden stops or hovering capabilities. This fluid and seemingly intelligent movement has led many to question whether these orbs are piloted by advanced beings or are a manifestation of some unknown natural phenomenon. Those who witnessed this craft in Africa said that it didn't act like a typical aircraft and stated that it was changing shape right in front of them. Oddly enough, it was also reported that the object didn't make any noise, with locals saying that they only saw it because of how bright it was. Reports of energy or orb sightings date back many years, with documented accounts from various cultures and historical periods. These sightings often occur in clusters or swarms, with multiple orbs being observed simultaneously. Witnesses describe the orbs as emitting a soft, radiant light, sometimes with vibrant colors or even translucent qualities. The size of these orbs can vary, ranging from small, basketball-sized objects to larger, more luminous entities. Theories regarding the origin and purpose of energy or orb objects are plentiful, but lack definitive evidence.